How to request a ride on Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to request a ride on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application, just like this. After that, tap on to try another location right here. Now from here, simply enter your starting option where you have been, just like this. Then simply enter your destination, tap where are you going, just like this. And simply confirm your pickup location, tap on to confirm. Then from here simply choose your ride type, tap on to 1. After that, tap on to add payment method and simply add your payment method and confirm the pickup. And after that, the driver will match it and you will see your driver's name, vehicle information and ETA, and you can follow the vehicle in real time on the map. And that's it. This is how you can request a ride on Lyft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.